Okay, people, I'm in Lakeland, Florida. If you look, that's an Amtrak train. And then down on this end, I'm assuming that might be a freight train, or it could be an Amtrak, but I think it's a freight train because I know that they switch. There's a, I was at the ground. There's an industry right by the Amtrak that they switch. It's like a brewery or something like that. But it's just crazy seeing two trains on the same track. I'm not gonna say you never see it, but it just looks kind of strange. I'm gonna hurry up. Yeah, that's a freight train for sure. Yep, told you. It's probably just gonna be switching, so I don't even think it'll come all the way up here. But you never know. Yeah, it's a freight train. I've never seen it where they have, usually they I don't know how they're gonna pull this off because this is a single track. Usually they make the freight train has to wait for the Amtrak. Typically, this is a single track. You can see like it's just literally one. But I think down there, I know there's a split off, so he must be splitting to go on a different line. Anyways, that's cool. Like I said, I'm kind of shocked because I wish I could see how he's gonna split off, but probably to the right. Let's see. It's like probably like half a mile up the road, the track. One goes, I think they call it the Vitalia subdivision, something like that. Vitus, and it splits. Trying to see if that's where he's going to. And can't see which one, if he's curving to the right. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, he's going to the right. So the Amtrak was you can't see it through the trees, but I can. He went to the right, and then the Amtrak is waiting, so this looks like a big, long train.